So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create image validation rule on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website, log into your account right here, select this profile icon, now select access Zoho CRM option. Go with this settings icon, scroll down and select this second last option right here. Now select this button right here. Now just fill up all of these details and just after that select this save button. After selecting this button right here, you guys have successfully created your image validation rule on Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.